Hi guys, another lockpicking video for you. This is the ABUS 34 55 model, 6-pinner. That works fine. No spring tension on the core. It is key retaining. I'll show you the bitting for this. There you go, 6-pinner. Pin 1 and pin 2 very high there. Let's give it a go. It's really nice lock, very heavy, very thick. It's a bit like a doorstep, to be honest. But there we go. Very light tension. I'm going to be using the Southwood short hook. Okay, back of the lock, bit of tension, pulling it out, find a binding pin, there's like pin 3 there, pin 1, one's not set properly, there we go, pin 2, pin 4, there's like pin 1 again, pin 5, slot 10 on the core, 6, there's like I've dropped a pin, that's pin 3, drop 2 pins, slot pin 2, deeper 10 on the core there, slot pin 4, oh sorry, pin 5, pin 3, pin 2, pin 6, hard to get to, that other setting, there we go. Cheers guys.